Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to create our real-time object detection YOLO 12 custom object detection model which detects sum of chocolates. So I have here Kit Kat, then Dairy Milk, then Snickers, and then Dio Coconut. This is the chocolates which I have here, and we will create our own custom object detection model which will detect all these chocolates using real-time USB web camera frame. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as we always do, I have created a new repository. I will mention the link. Simply copy paste the link inside web browser, then go to the code, click on download zip. It will download our zip format repository. Just open download folder. This is what our repository. Right click and then just click on extract all, click on extract. It will extract our repository. So this is what our repository, real-time custom object detection. So first we need images, because if we want to create our model we need to train the images. So for that we need images. So img.py, the code which I have mentioned inside the GitHub repository, this code will help to get the images, will help to get the data. Okay, so for that we need OpenCV package. So just go to the tools, manage packages, OpenCV-Python, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install OpenCV-Python. Then the number of images means, as I mentioned, we have here Dairy Milk, Kit Kat, Snickers, and Dio Coconut. So 1, 2, 3, 4 classes which we have. So each class we need number of images. So let's just say if I go with Dairy Milk, so Dairy Milk class we need 30 images. This number you can change. You can go with 130. It will capture each class 130 images. Means let's just say I have here Kit Kat. So if I mention here 130 images, so it will capture 130 images of Kit Kat. Simple. So right now, because this is just a demo purpose, so I will go with 30 images is more than enough. So 30 images of each class. We have Kit Kat, we have Snickers, we have Dairy Milk, we have Dio Coconut. So Kit Kat 30 images, Dairy Milk 30 images, Snickers 30 images, as simple as. Then if you scroll down here, you have to mention your USB web camera index number. Right now I have here only one camera, so 0 is the index number. Then here you have to mention the class. So here it is, as you can see, I have mentioned Snickers. So the Snickers is basically the image name. So Snickers for the Snicker class, Dairy Milk for the Dairy Milk class. So it will capture Snickers image name with 30 images. So now let's just save the code. Now what we will do, because we will capture the Snickers images, so I will show the Snickers chocolate to USB web camera in different angles. So let's just run the code. So as you can see in my hand there is a Snickers chocolate. You have to simply move the chocolate in front of the camera in different angle. Okay, in different angle, just move it, and we have done. We captured 30 images. So if you open the repository, as you can see, it created images folder basically, and inside that we have 30 images of Snickers. So same way we will go for next. So next is basically, let's just say Kit Kat. So Kit Kat, okay, Kit Kat. So let's just save it. Now same way, take Kit Kat chocolate in your hand and move the chocolate in front of the camera in different angle. Okay, as you can see. So it will capture 30 images of Kit Kat. Now we have here Dio Coconut. So let's just say Dio Coconut. Now let's just save it, and if I run, So this is what duo coconut chocolate, as you can see. Just move it chocolate in different angle. Any object we have here today chocolates, so you have to move your object in front of the camera. So we have here duo coconut chocolate images. So now the last one class is basically the dairy milk class. Dairy milk. Okay, let's just save it and let's just run. As you can see, this is what our dairy milk. So we have all classes images. Now if you open the images folder, as you can see, if I refresh, there is a dairy milk class, then there is a duo coconut, then KitKat, then Snickers. So now we have all the images. Now we will move these images on our Roboflow. So let's just open our Roboflow. This is what our Roboflow. Just log in it with your Gmail ID, or if you don't have any account, just sign up with your Gmail ID. Click on new project. Select any project name. You can mention any name. I will mention YOLO 12. Annotation group, let's just mention object, and object detection. Select the object detection because we will go with the bounding box. So bounding box object detection, click on create public project. It will create the project. Now we will go with folder because we created the folder. Inside that we have all the images. So select the folder, downloads, and this is what our repository. Inside that we have images folder. Click on upload. Then it will pop up this kind of message, basically upload 120 files to this site. Click on upload. Now it will upload all the images on Roboflow. As you can see, we have successfully uploaded. Click on save and continue. It will save the images. So we successfully save the images. Click on start labeling, click on assign to myself, and then you can see this kind of window. Click on start annotating, and this is what our annotating a tool basically. So here simply we want to select what we want to annotate. So this is what the dairy milk. Then select the tool, this one, bounding box tool, and draw the rectangle box on it like this way. Draw it. Okay, and then you will see here one small window, but it's not showing. So what we can do, we can simply draw the rectangle, and then if you not see any window, right click, click on delete, and again select the bounding box tool and draw the rectangle on the object like this. And then you will see this kind of window, as I mentioned, annotation editor. So here we want to mention our class name. So what is our class? Our class is dairy milk. So this is what my first class, dairy milk. Click on save it, done. As you can see, dairy milk. Go for next image. Again we have dairy milk. So there is no need to create the new class. Just select it, click on save, go for next. Draw the rectangle on dairy milk chocolate. Click on save, go for next. Again we have dairy milk. Draw the rectangle, click on save, go for next image. Again we have same chocolate, draw the rectangle, click on save, and go for next image. So now let me draw the rectangle on dairy milk chocolate. When we have a new class, I will show you again how you can create the new class. Simple. So friends, here it is. As you can see, we have now new class, which is the KitKat. So again, same way, we will select the bounding box tool and just draw the rectangle on our object like this way. KitKat, and here we want to create a new class. So kit-cat, KitKat, then click on create class. It will create a new class, and the bounding box color is now red. Go for next image. again we have dairy milk. So same way, draw the rectangle, and now we have two classes. So this is what the dairy milk. Select the dairy milk and just go for next image. Again we have dairy milk, so we select it, go for next, draw it, click on save, or you can simply just click on just select the class, basically select the class, click on save, go for next. Now we have again new class, which is the duo coconut. So just draw the rectangle on it and we will create the new class, which is duo coconut, duo hyphen coco nut, duo hyphen coco nut. Click on create class. As you can see, the rectangle color is changed. We created new class, which is duo coconut. Okay, coconut. Now go for next. Again we have same class, duo coconut, draw the rectangle on it, and we already selected duo coconut. Click on save, go for next image. Dairy milk, draw it rectangle. So we want to select our dairy milk class, so just select it dairy milk, and as you can see the rectangle is changed, and you will see, basically you will see here we select the class. If you go here, then as you can see it showing inside the window there is a dairy milk, so it means we selected the class. Go for next. You can cross check. So we have now KitKat, draw the rectangle on KitKat, and because we already selected dairy milk for previous images, so now for current image we need to select KitKat. So select it KitKat, and then you will see we selected one class because there is one object, so one class. Go for next. Again we have KitKat, there is no need to change the class KitKat, just click on save, go for next image. Then we have duo coconut, draw the rectangle, and then here we will select duo coconut, and you will get the duo coconut one class. So this is how I will draw the rectangle on each class. Okay, so friends, we have done with annotation process. This is what our last image. Now just go to the YOLO 12, our project name, and you will see add 120 images to dataset. Just select it, click on add images, and it will add our images to dataset. This is just a add, just close it and then just close this window because we add our images. You will see here dataset 120 images, means we successfully add our dataset. Done. Now click on versions, and here first we will go with train and test split. Click on edit, click on rebalance. 120 is our total images, so we will let's just say go with value 29, and then we will go with let's just say 19 and 15, 17 and 15. So valid 17, test 15, and train 88. Enough. Click on save, then click on continue, then pre-processing, click on continue, then add augmentation. Just select it, add augmentation, and I will select the crop. Okay, the image level augmentation, I will select the crop, and then here you can adjust. So let's just say I will adjust like this way, this is okay, and then this will go here. Okay, simple. So just select it. As you can see, I have mentioned 9% and 28. Here you will see the settings are outside of the typical range and may produce poor result. So remember one thing, the warning. Okay, so let's just go like this way, and as you can see now it's perfect. Okay, simple. 10%, 22%, enough. Click on apply, then click on continue, and then create. Click on create. That's it. Now it will create our, it will generate the code, okay, which we are going to copy inside our Google Colab machine. So now let me open Google Colab. So friends, I have opened the Google Colab. Just click on upload, click on browse, go to the repository, and we will select our Colab file. Click on open, it will upload our Colab file. So we uploaded our Colab file. Here go to the runtime, change runtime type, select Python 384 GPU, click on save, and then just click on connect. It will connect. So we connected. Now we will run our cell one by one. So first cell, then the second cell, which install Ultralytics on our Colab machine. So we successfully install Ultralytics package. Now we will go for next cell. Just click on it. It will run our next cell. Now we will cross check if Ultralytics is perfectly installed or not. So for that we will use YOLO12 s.pt model. Let's just run the cell, and it will use doc.jpeg image, and from that image, if we successfully install Ultralytics, so it will download YOLO12 s.pt model, and it will detect the object from this particular image from roboflow.com. So we detected the object. As you can see, we have one car, one dog, and one handbag. You can check the result. Go to this small folder icon, and result is basically saved inside runs, detect, and predict. So go to the runs, detect, predict, and then we have doc.jpg image, and this is what objects. As you can see, there is a rectangle. So it means we successfully install all the things. Done. Now let's just make like this way. Now here, this is what our old code. So now here we want to mention our new code. So just back to the Roboflow where we left. This is what our page where we left. Click on download dataset, image and annotation format. Just go to the txt and select it, YOLO12 or YOLO11, what you want. I will go with the latest one, YOLO12. Then download option, show download code. Click on continue. It will create the download code. So friends, this is what our code. Copy it from to YOLO12, copy it and open our Colab machine file, and this is the old code which we want to remove. So select it from to YOLO12, delete it. It will delete the old code, and then just press Ctrl+V. It will paste the new code from this which we copy. Just copy it, go to the Colab file, remove the old one, and then just press Ctrl+V. It will paste the new code, and then let's just run the cell. It will create the dataset folder here, and it will basically mount, or it will paste the folder which we create as a project on Roboflow. We have done. Now if you click here, as you can see, there is a dataset folder which we created. Just scroll down, and then we have YOLO12 folder. Then inside that we have test, train, valid, and data.yml. So just double click on data.yml. We have train, val, test, and this is the classes. As you can see, dairy milk, Dio coconut, KitKat, and Snickers. So here we want to change the path. So train folder, go to the train folder, select this 3 dot, copy path, and remove the old path. Again just press Ctrl+V from keyboard. It will paste our new path. Then val is basically the valid folder. Go to the 3 dot, copy path, remove the old path, Ctrl+V. It will paste the new code. Then test. So test is the folder here. 3 dot, copy path, and then just remove it. Old path, Ctrl+V. Done. So we successfully copy paste the new path. Now check the cursor is over here. Ctrl+S. Save the data.yml. The next line code where we want to mention data.yml file path. This is the main code where we are going to start our training. So here we want to data is equal to, this is the path of data.yml, which is the old path. So we need a new path. So data.yml, again 3 dot, copy path, and remove the old path. Don't remove data is equal to, only remove the path. Data is equal to, now press Ctrl+V. It will paste the new path, and then run the cell. Now we have our training started. It will create our model, epochs 100, image size 640. So as you can see, 1 out of 100. So our training is started. Meanwhile, I will pause video. So friends, we successfully completed our training process and our model is saved inside runs, detect and train. So click on this folder icon, go to the runs, detect, train, then we have weights folder, then we have base.pt. So this is what our model. Click on 3 dot, click on download, and it will download our model. So we downloaded our model. Let's just close all these things, close it, and just open file manager, go to the download, and this is what our model. Right click, cut it, and move the model inside our real-time custom repository. Okay, then we have test.py, which is our main code. So we install cv2, means opencv-python already, so we need only ultralytics. So go to the tools, manage packages, ultralytics, search for ultralytics, click on search on PyPy, first package, click on install button, done. It will install ultralytics on our Windows machine. And here we need to select base.pt. this is what our web camera, and this is the basic code for ultralytics. It will detect our custom object. Now I will start the code. So friends, I have started the frame, and now I will show this is what our object. As you can see, it's detected. There is a rectangle and there is a class on top left corner, which is the duo coconut. Then we have here Snickers. As you can see, it's detected Snickers. There is a class name, and then we have Dairy Milk. As you can see, this is what the Dairy Milk chocolate, and then we have Kit Kat. As you can see, Kit Kat. Simple. So you can simply show two objects. Okay, two objects. So Dairy Milk detected, Kit Kat detected. Let's just go with Kit Kat and Snickers. As you can see, it's detected Kit Kat and Snickers. So this is how, friends, with the help of your USB web camera, you can create the images using img.py. Then you can train the images and you can create your own custom object detection model for real-time object detection. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.